Good morning parents and dear students. I am Mrs. Reena Dalal, social science teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the components of the map and we have discussed the first component of map that was related to the direction. Now we will discuss the second component, that is the scale. In our daily life we use this type of scales, but today you will learn how a scale is used on a map. First of all, why we use a scale on a map? The scale is always used to measure the distance. Always remember that the map shows smaller distances. Why? Because it is not possible to show the actual distance between the places on a map. That's why the map always show the smaller distances. Now what is a scale? What is a scale? We can say that the scale is a ratio. It is ratio between two things. Which two things? The distance, distance shown on a map and the actual distance on the ground. What is a scale? It is the ratio between the distance shown on the map and the actual distance on the ground is known as the scale of a map. Listen once again. I told you what is a scale. It is the ratio between the distance shown on a map and the actual distance on the ground is known as the scale of the map. Now, how can we represent a scale on the map? There are two ways in which we can represent a scale on the map. The first way is by statement. I am writing a statement here. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. It is a statement. Here 1 kilometer, it is the actual distance on the ground, and this actual distance is shown on the map by 1 centimeter. By 1 centimeter, as I told you that the maps always shows the smaller distances because it is not possible to show the actual distance between the places on the map. The second way, by linear scale. In this method, we draw a line and we divide this line into some equal parts like this. The length of each part shows the same distance. Here 100 kilometer, it is the actual distance on the ground, and this distance is shown on the map by 1 centimeter. So using this linear scale, we can also represent the scale on the map. Now according to the scale, there are two types of maps. According to scale, The first type is large scale map. Large scale map, small area and more information. Means these type of maps are drawn for a small area but they provide us more information. For example, the map of a village, the map of a city or town, the map of any colony. All these types of the maps are the examples of the large scale map because they are drawn for a smaller area and provide us more information. The second type is small scale map. Large area, less information. Means these type of maps are drawn for a large area but they provide us less information. For example, the map of the world, any continent, the map of any country. All these are the examples of the small scale map because they are drawn for large area but they provide us less information. How less information? Because the map of the world is drawn to show all the continents and all the seas and oceans. Means it is showing large area but all the features of all the countries we can't show on the map of the world. That's why the small scale map provide us less information. The next thing is sketch. The maps are drawn according to the scale, but if there is any map that is not drawn according to the scale, then we can say that it is a sketch, not a map. Because we can say that the sketch is a rough drawing. Without using scale. Sketch, we can say that it is a rough drawing without using any scale, whether all the maps are drawn according to the scale. For example, if you want to draw a map for your home like this and you show that this is hall, there is kitchen, this is living room and this is open space without using any scale, then we will say that this is a sketch, not a map. It is just a rough drawing without any scale. Okay, so we can say that all the maps are drawn according to the scale, but a sketch is a rough drawing without using any scale. The next or third component of our map is color scheme. It is very easy. Here we use some colors to show the particular features. See this paper. Here some names of the colors are given that are used to show some particular features. For example, the dark blue color is used to show the deep waters. The light blue color is used to show the shallow waters. Deep and shallow water. Here we talk about the depth of the water. Deep water, here we show the seas and oceans, and in shallow water here we show some rivers and coastal areas. Means according to depth of the water. Green color is used to show the plains. light brown color is used to show the highlands and the dark brown color is used to show the mountains. The yellow color is used to show the hills and the plateaus. Color scheme. Here a key or legend. A key or legend is always made on the map that tells the meaning of the colors that are used in the map. For example, if we use here green color, it means it is showing the plains. If we use here dark brown color, it means this dark brown color is showing the mountains. This type of key or legend, or you can call it an index also, it gives information about the colors, which type of information they are given to us. Enough for this video. Thank you.